September 25 UPI A subway rider captured video of an unusual subway surfing stunt when a man clung to the outside of a door on the underground train. The video, posted to the AD's Subway Creatures account on Instagram, shows a man pressed up flat against the outside of the door to a subway car while the train is in motion. Amused passengers laugh and congratulate the man as he holds tight to the train. The filmer dubs the surfer a gangster and gives him an honorary fist bump through the window. The location of the video was unclear. An Australian man was recently arrested after witnesses spotted him clinging to the back of a high-speed commuter train in Perth. Authorities said the man was holding on by the windshield wiper on the rear window of the train and was lucky to escape the incident unharmed.